What do you really want in relationships? Security, affection, loyalty, love, companionship, communication? What exactly? Do you wonder why you keep attracting certain type of people into your life? Are you tired of feeling disappointed in love? Have you ever been blindsided by someone you thought was a friend? Do you feel desperate to find that special person in life you can be with together? I'll help you with 3 steps that will help you attracting more satisfying relationships. This is Jyoti Pandey, a life and career coach. Have helped many people transform the key areas of their life and help them generate revenue at the same time. So step 1, make a thorough list of all the circumstances or scenarios of your past relationships that you do not want to experience again. You can use a T tool in order to do that. If you do not have a T tool, use a simple plain sheet of paper. Write a big T on it. Label the left hand column as I do not want and the right hand column as I do want. Step number 2, ask your inner self to remind you of the past events that you do not want to experience again. Write a few words about that situation or scenario that describes the essence of that event. One major reason why we keep getting those unsatisfactory relationships is we fail to use the contrast contained in those negative statements to get what exactly do we want. Step number 3, write a script on how do you want your relationships to be. As long as the law of attraction has only the do not want script, it will keep orchestrating the script over and over again. So we must give the law of attraction new material to work with. Scripting accesses all 4 parts of the left brain, which deals with words and logic, right brain, which deals with patterns and symbols, midbrain, which experiences emotions, brainstem, which registers physical stimulation. When all 4 parts of the brain is engaged, a powerful message is sent and delivered to the universe. So remember guys, attraction brings us precisely what we vibrate. So if we want to experience relationships that are more satisfying, then you must change our dominant vibration to match the experiences that we want to have. This is Jyoti Pandey, a life and career coach.